Sup? How's everybody's day going? Hope you guys are having a good day. Was told I gotta be on camera more. Not sure why, but I gotta be on it. So we're out here, we're on camera. Change of scenery. Pretty nice day out. Hope you guys are having a good day. I got two stocks that I want to talk to you guys about. One, Coinbase. Two, Robinhood, and how Robinhood is really changing up the market, and not just the stock market, but the crypto market as well. All of this and more. We're going to go into depth in the valuations and fundamentals of each of these companies. But all I ask in return is that you guys hit that like and subscribe button, especially subscribing. Only about 7% of the people that watch the videos are subscribed. So if you guys want, definitely go subscribe. It means a ton to me. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy the video, and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye. So I figured we'd talk about Coinbase first, since they just reported earnings. The stock is currently trading at $266, and they've just reported earnings for the first time as a publicly traded company, and the earnings were actually pretty good. Revenue, $2.23 billion versus expectations of $1.78 billion, and the earnings per share was $3.45 per share, expectations being 2.33, and the company's net profit was also 1.6 billion, which is up almost 5,000% from a year earlier. Now, this sounds amazing, but the stock actually is trading down in after hours. I think because of this week's run up, did go up about 15%, was up about 23% at one point. So again, a little bit of a pre-anticipatory run up. We actually shorted it a little bit, 2-hour play, and made like $130 on it. We want to do it again today, but unfortunately, no buying power. But again, Coinbase is a solid company with huge year-over-year growth as cryptocurrency just becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And the fluctuations in cryptocurrency is actually very good for Coinbase because it's more buying and selling. And Coinbase actually has about 99 to 98% of their revenue comes in from fees and commission alone. So while that is exceptional, it is also a big risk, and a risk that Robinhood is trying to take a stab at. Now, when I talk about Robinhood, obviously I'm talking about the Robinhood platform that we are on right now. The stock that is currently trading at $38 when it opened up on July 29th, and is now trading at $54. Got as high as $80 as well, $85 to be exact, intraday, when it was just going on an absolute tear, up over 100 and something percent in 2 days of trading. But one of the things why Robinhood is really trying to attack the crypto market and attack Coinbase is because Robinhood is free commission trading, even on cryptocurrency. Now that's huge. Again, we look at something like Coinbase, you see these spectacular numbers. You got to think though, 99% of that revenue comes from just commission fees alone. Robinhood, on the other hand, has free commission trading. So while it might not be Robinhood itself that is trying to take Coinbase out of business, it's the Robinhood mentality, the Robinhood platform, the type of platform that has no commission trading. And as more competition spikes up, companies like Coinbase that rely solely on revenue from commission get hurt very, very badly. So I call this the Robinhood effect because we kind of saw what happened with it did to a lot of brokers. When Robinhood had their commission-free trading, the other brokers had to appeal to it. They had to do the same. Otherwise, Robinhood was just going to run amok on them, essentially. And that's what we saw. A lot of the brokers, TD, E-Trade, all of them either reduced their fees by like 90% or run just completely commission-free, with the exception of option trading, whether you pay like 99 cents or 50 cents per contract. So again, Robinhood is making a big impact on that. But if you actually look at Robinhood's financials, not as good as Coinbase's. They're sitting at a $45 billion market cap, while Coinbase is sitting at a $56 billion market cap, so somewhat similar. But you look at the financials for Robinhood, and it's not as good. 522 million revenue and negative 1.4 billion. So they're still not profitable yet. They do have a ton of cash on hand, though, 4.79 billion, and they do have big year-over-year growth. But one of the things that is very concerning with Robinhood is the stigma and the reputation of Robinhood. We all remember what happened with AMC back in the day, and GameStop, when Robinhood halted their trading, and things got bad quickly. They halted trading right about here, wouldn't allow people to buy more, and next thing you know, everything cratered down. And the apes did not forget. I will tell you that right now, the apes did not forget that. So obviously, if you look on things like StockTwits and you look at the comments under Robinhood, it's very negative. A lot of people are very upset with Robinhood and what they did. But one of the things that is good is they are expanding. Robinhood's buying a fintech firm for $140 million. They are upgrading and they're trying to get better to try to get improve their shareholder relations, which is obviously huge because this stock is so volatile. I mean, the amount it moves is just crazy. I mean, we've had fluctuations, 30% within days, and so they're trying to get their bearings, trying to get stable, and we're just gonna have to see what happens with that. But overall, Coinbase, while it is the biggest player in the game with crypto right now, things could get ugly if competition arises, which I do think it will happen. And I do think that their valuation can be cut more than half if this happens and more people are switching to things like Robinhood where they can get that commission-free trading. If they want to buy Bitcoin, they simply go over here and they buy Bitcoin, right on here, completely commission-free. So you're not able to do that on Coinbase. You're paying a huge fee to do that. Robinhood, you don't have that problem. And as more companies come out, more exchanges and more places to buy cryptocurrency, it will become the gold standard to have commission-free trading if they want crypto to continue to succeed and be, viable. So again, we'll have to see what really happens. But in the meantime, it doesn't bode well for Coinbase in the future. Right now, Coinbase is taking advantage of it very well, and they deserve to be valued where they are because of what's happening right now. But you look in the future, and things can get very ugly very quickly. So again, I'm going to be watching that very carefully. I think that it is not a good long-term hold for Coinbase unless they somehow completely revitalize their company. But at this point, it's almost impossible when 99% of your revenue is coming, just from fees alone. Okay, so while they do have a ton of profits right now and a ton of revenue right now, that is going to be significantly hindered as more competition arises. So anyways, guys, I thought I'd just brief you on that. I think both companies are pretty solid in the current states. I would not invest in Coinbase, though, because I think long-term it's not good. Robinhood, on the other hand, I think will be a very good long-term hold. I'm not getting into it yet. I still think it's a little inflated from its IPO value, from 38 all the way up to 80, down to 50. And it's just moving around too quickly. And I'm in other positions, so I'm not going to be going into that. But again, if it gets around its IPO price again, then I will take a nice stake in it. Especially selling options on Robinhood is a big premium. If you go ahead and, even for, August 20th, a week from now, you sell a $50 strike price put, you're going to get $275 to do so. Or if you want to be safer and go, a leaps put like February, you're going to get a ton of money for that. You're going to get $13 per, which puts you at basically at the IPO price for your break even. So if you're going to get into it, that's kind of what I would do, me personally. But again, it's all personal choice. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video recapping Coinbase and Robinhood. And just have a wonderful day. Remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to talk to me, hop in the Discord, come and chat. Would love to talk with you guys. But anyways, that is it for today. Take it easy. Bye.